Right, as you know, we're supposedly videoing the emptying of the second box, but every time we've gone down the sister's not been there, and now we've just seen her sister walking around giving things away, so I'm guessing we're a bit too late to see what's in the box. However, we're going because there's going to be a party, so we'll show you that instead. What is that? Just so I hope it's going to be interesting. Right, it's 25 to 8. This should have started at between 4 and 5 o'clock.
Because it's not, it's not planning.
No, it's Filipino time, isn't it? Look guys, this is the upstairs bedroom, another bedroom lot. Whose room's this now then, Mel? Anybody's?
Nothing. You can get that.
So it's a spare room, so Mel kicks me out, I can stay here.
Lock the window, lock the door. Who makes that?
Oben, because it's the same door as ours.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
So we're having it out here, and the barbecue is going to be some makeshift breeze blocks or hollow blocks. We call them breeze blocks in the UK. Hollow blocks here.
Is it raining early?
Yeah, it was raining. See, all this should have been tidied up.
Yeah.
Shouldn't it?
Chok said, he plant dragon fruit. Where's the dragon fruit?
He planted dragon fruit.
Yeah, that's what he said in the book.
Let's have a look. Where do you think the dragon fruit might be?
It's a cactus, right?
It's a cactus. No, Mel. What do you call me, a moron? That is the dragon fruit plant. Yeah, it's not a cactus, it's dragon fruit. So who's the moron now? So there's quite a few people here, and if they're all out here together,
they're gonna grill a fish and then barbecue.
Yeah. They're grilling it first, then barbecuing it.
Yeah. I don't know which one first. Fish.
Yeah. You see how she gets things mixed up. So I've just got to guess. They're not gonna grill it then barbecue it. This is a nightmare because he is so naughty. I've told him about 100 times not to go through that door, because if he gets to the stairs and goes down them stairs, he's dead. And there's so many kids here as well. It's going to be pretty noisy. Huh? So let's have a look on the screen. Oh, it's pretty light. Oh, the lens needs wiping. Sorry guys. I think it's alright. I might have to take the camera out and just dry the lens out. So Annie enjoys putting together the barbecue.
Yeah.
And I was pretty impressed until I saw Annie about to put plastic on it. I mean, what the heck is going off here? You don't put plastic on it because it'll stink the fish out. So, how long have you been doing barbecues, Annie? Since you were a little girl?
Me,
No, you haven't got to burst the bubble. You've got to say you've been doing it for years. It's your first time?
Yeah.
Oh.
For Mika, I will do it.
Oh, I see.
It's my first time.
Tap kayo punta kayong tubig. Para pa nagkurab lalagyan
I'm
ng
looking at
tubig.
the screen and I'm thinking it's pretty dark here.
Yeah.
You might not be able to see. So what's going off with you, Joy?
What? What's up?
What's happening? What's up?
What's up?
Not a lot.
It's hot.
It's very hot up here. There's not really a breeze. Normally there's a breeze here. Just point it this way. You should be able to see the lights. No, probably not. I've got to get a new camera, guys. This is it doesn't even. I've altered the light on it for darkness, and it doesn't seem to make much difference. So I'm desperate for a new camera. So if anybody wants to buy me one, I'm joking, obviously. Oh, I keep saying M. I've got to stop saying. Do you know what? It's not until I get to the editing stage and I realise and I think, oh, you silly person. I keep saying things over and over again. I don't realise it till I edit it. And then I think, I've got to take that out. So I spend most of my time taking the so's out and the out. Because Mel just laughs her head off at me. She thinks it's funny. And keeps calling me a moron. So I guess she's probably right. So here we are, guys. It's starting to change a bit now. And like I say, when everybody's up here and sitting down, you'll see them all sitting around here having a drink and some what do you call it again? Pa, you know when you're drinking, what do you call the food when you're drinking? The food.
Barbecue.
No. You know when you drink and you have like chips and different things, what's it called?
Dututan.
Pulutan. Pulutan. Ah.
Yeah.
Yeah. I want to show you Pa's watch. Look, I've been trying to get him to swap me, look, and he won't swap me. He's so mean. Pa makes me laugh, you know. As soon as he sees the camera, he normally does off because he doesn't want to be on camera, and he doesn't want me talking to him because his English isn't very good. Ah. Oh.
Bill, thank you for helping me. Thank you for helping me, Bill.
Do it again.
Thank you for helping me. Bye-bye.
Do it again.
Bye-bye.
Yeah, thanks, Bill. I'm gonna give you a shout out when I Mel. Yeah, hold on. Give me a minute.
Oh, you can do it.
Give me a minute. Alright, sorry, just watch what's going off a minute till I
Bukaon mo.
Yung charcoal in your country.
Yeah.
Sarado. May bukasan mo, may tamalog si Ata. Sarado, di mo na buka.
Oh. Mel's took my son into that bedroom because he won't stay away from the stairs and we just can't watch him. Are you in prison? Huh? Because you're naughty? Right, let's see if I can remember the password. Because I haven't got a phone, by the way, guys. This was my iPhone, but I give it to Mel.
You didn't give it to me.
What did you say?
You did not give that phone to me.
Say it again.
You did not give that phone to me.
You know I don't speak Spanish. In English, please.
What? Say it again.
You did not give that phone to me.
I know I heard you first time. Oh, what did I do then? Right, Reynolds Patrick Monahan. Thanks very much, my friend. Really appreciate it.
Where's the...
Sorry about that. It took a while for me to find his name. I put it on the phone because I knew I'd forget. And of course I did forget, but I put it on the phone. So.
Lions roaring in the morning. sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way, yeah. Birds chirping